Today is December 27th, 2018. December 27th, 2018. Jacksonville, Florida, USA. I am Jake, Locksmith Services.Jacksonville, Florida. Yes, indeed, this year is almost out. The new year 2019 right around the corner. I done made my New Year resolution. I'm gonna talk about it in a minute. I'm out here about to get my exercise on, you know. Look like it's about to rain and stuff. There go the sky. Y'all see the sky? That's the sky. There go the moon right there. I will be talking about everything in a minute. Y'all see I'm walking. I'm walking right now. Doing my little thing, walking. Hi everybody, hi everybody, hi everybody. Circuit K over there. Yeah, out here walking alone, walking alone, walking alone. Yes, indeed. Just trying to live my life. My New Year resolution for 2019, January 1st, is very simple: to live my life better than I lived in 2018. I believe in God, the creator of life, creator of everything, this world, this planet. I believe in Jesus Christ, my Lord and my Savior. I accepted him in my life in 1993 at the age of 29. I'm not gonna let nobody change that, and that's how I'm gonna live until my day is gone on this planet. New Year resolution is to try to live in a better area, better environment, better people who want to do better, people who want to, you know, make things do better for other people, make a surrounding better for other people, you know. And it's not hard to do. You just got to get yourself around better people, you know. That's what I'm gonna do, you know. Better males, better females, better everything. Just better your environment. That's what I'm planning on doing, and I'm gonna do it. And I've been doing it, and I'm just gonna keep doing it, making a difference. You know what I'm saying? Making a difference. Take a look in the mirror at yourself. That's the change you make. When you make a change in yourself, then that's a beginning that people gonna see the glorified of Jesus in you. You know, I believe in my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. He says, "Show me in you." So the word "I believe in God" ain't correct if you're not walking in belief. You gotta walk in belief. That means if you believe in God, you believe in Jesus, well, you gotta make a life change. You got to do the right thing. You got to live right. You got to treat people right. You got to do everything right, you know. You can't say "I believe" and then don't live it. You got to live it. You got to show that work. You know, you got to show it. You got to show it. Jesus showed it in him. He said, "Show me in you." You know. So that's belief. Belief ain't just saying "I believe." You got to walk in that belief. You got to walk in it. You got to make a life change. You got to quit all the ignorance. You got to quit everything. You got to get from around people doing ignorant stuff. You got to get around people doing the right thing. Y'all doing the right thing. Y'all trying to help people. Y'all trying to help other people get on their feet and do the right thing. That's what's happening. You know, that's what's it. That's what I done. You know, I started living right in 1993, age of 29. I got from around all that ignorant stuff. all that stupid stuff, all that stuff that keeps you down and out, keep you feeling misery and all that. I got around all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So that's what you gotta do. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I'm walking now. I'm running now. Walking, running, exercise. That's what it's all about. Yep. I like looking at them shadows. Look at my shadow. Y'all see me, huh? See me running? See that shadow? See Jake's shadow? It's about to disappear now. Now you can't see it. Time for me to do something else. Jake Locksmith Services.Jacksonville FL.USA. Today is December 2018. The 27th, December 27, 2018. Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida, USA. It's about 6 a.m. in the morning. I be hollering at y'all. Subscribe, like my video, make comments, share my video. I'ma keep them coming. Look at that shadow again. Look at that shadow. Y'all see my shadow? See me running? Huh? Yeah, you can see. Bye for now. Peace out. Nothing but love. Nothing but love.